Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. Cold and kind of cloudy outside today in a disastrous market. My goodness, this market is getting destroyed today. We got Dark Bro first in the chat. Frank. We got Dark Bro, Kalani, Robert, Frank, Francis, CD Witt, Dark Bro, Pika, Dark Bro, Francis, Frank, Nick F, Pika Bauer, Matthew, Robert, Pika, Moji, all of you guys. So glad to see you in here today so far. What do we got going on in this market, man? And this devastation we're seeing over here. AMC, top left, $6.63. AMC down 7% today. Shiba Inu coin sitting sideways, luckily only down 1% today. GameStop down 3.5%. The QQQ getting destroyed today. My gosh, dude, down 3.10%. Look where we are. Crypto Rocketeer, man, if you're listening, I don't know if you're in here or not, but if you're listening, Crypto Rocketeer, I'm telling you, man, I don't know about this fake bounce right here, dude, but coming right back down, tested this little level of support right here in this area, and right back down where it was. I'm very, very confident we are going to see a break of this purple line, and ladies and gentlemen, I truly believe that we will be testing here in the near future, potentially on October 13th, maybe before then, the 2020 highs, and then potentially the 2020 lows. Oh my goodness. Today is a steep decline, man. Today is a steep decline. Look, I was watching the QQQ this morning. I'm like, should I get in? Should I get in? Should I get in? I didn't get in this area right in here. Would have been very well if I did. Coming in at like 270. Wasn't it at 280 yesterday? Yeah, dude, we were back up at 280 yesterday. Anybody jump in puts yesterday? Bronson did, right? Didn't Bronson say he grabbed some 276s or something? I don't know if Bronson's in here right now or not. I'm not playing any, but my God. Dude, if Bronson grabbed those 276s yesterday, they are worth right now at least, I'd say $6 or $7. I'd say they're worth at least $6 or $7, and he probably got them yesterday for $1. Would be my guess if he was grabbing 276s yesterday. My gosh, dude. QQQ getting destroyed right now. Little market recap. We've got the NASDAQ down over 3%, GameStop down over 3%, Biora up 1%, AMC down 7%, Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the red. Sundial down 17%, giving back every single cent that it gained yesterday, right back down to $2.30 here. Mullen Auto down 4%, CEI down 5%, The SPY down over 2%, BBIG down 7%, Highcroft down 3%, Netflix down 3%. Luna Classic, ladies and gentlemen, the only thing green on the chart is Terra Luna Classic right now. Nonetheless, the action is not very exciting. QQQ over 3%, AMC over 7% declines is what we're seeing right now. Wild, man. I don't know if you guys want to watch Terra Luna or if you want to watch the QQQ for a minute. Terra Luna's not doing too much, but we can keep it on the chart. Feeling better, Pika Power? Hopefully, Pika's feeling great. Danelle! Good morning, Danelle. My goodness, buying opportunities forthcoming. Yeah, guys, if you still got money, to buy in, look, everything is about perspective, okay? We can get destroyed with all of this red here. Or we could say, you know what, dude, I'm going to be one of those rich dudes because I did not leave during a bear market. I did not give up during that bear market. I made it through that bear market. And I'm going to tell you right now, I am truly starting to believe, I don't know about you guys, let me know if you want, but I'm truly starting to believe that we could see worse declines than anything in recent history. I'm talking flash crashes. I'm talking great recessions or whatever they called it back in 2007, 2008. I'm talking anything better than the dot-com bubble that we saw burst in the 2000s. I'm telling you, man, I think that we could be living through right now, if you are of investing age. I'm talking, I don't know how many people invest when they're actually like 18. You know what I mean? I'm talking, you're in your 20s, you're in your 30s. Dude, if you were in your 40s or even 50s, wondering why you never began to invest, The stuff that you're seeing right now can put you 20 years ahead. It'll be just like you ended up getting in when you were 20 because of the declines we're seeing over the next 10, 15 years when we see very nice recoveries. So, yeah, Moji's absolutely right, man. We are being provided with some wild opportunities right now that we may have never expected to get. Disappointed a little in the movement that Shiba game created. A stick beater. Me too, man. Created no movement whatsoever. You wanted to know? Queen Pika. Bro, I want to buy Bone, but I needed to go back to like 50 cents or something. Dark, bro, where's it at right now? I haven't looked at Bone in a long time. Back to roofing. Have a good day, everyone. Kalani! My gosh, dude. Careful on that roof, dude. Roofing's some hard work. Don't hurt your back. Let's see. Where are we? Because I do not know what Bone is trading at, but we're going to have to close and reopen CoinMarketCap because it's apparently not working for me. It was still loading? Yeah. As if. $1. It is at $1 from being at above $2. It's already lost 50% of its value. My goodness. Bone back down to $1. Shoot, dude, you'd probably be able to get Bone for 50 cents. I'm not going to lie. I don't think maybe another 50% drop could be possible. Stick beater. I don't want to say easy, but if you're looking here, 270 to 135 gets you a 50% decline, right? That's on the overall market. You imagine if the overall market's dropping 50%, stocks will easily be dropping another 50, 60, 70, 80%. So if you're looking at that, dude, the 2020 lows are right here at 165, man. That is, what, I just not even doing the math, but guessing 35, 40%. In just in my head right there. 270 to 160, 165. Go from where we were yesterday, 280 to 160, 165. Yeah, dude, you're right in that area. 40 to 50% declines just to get to the 2020 lows, man. If we somehow broke that 2020 low, there's your 50% decline right there. 140. From where we were yesterday at 280. There's your 50% decline on that support level. And, yeah, dude, it oh, boy. I'm telling you, man. And I honestly believe that if these guys that are in charge have anything to do with it, they want it to go down. It's like they only own puts on everything right now. They don't own anything long. They're all short on everything. It's wild. Dark, bro. Thank you very much for the super chat. Bro, I wish I invested at 18, but I was just a kid and didn't look into it. But I do believe we will see large crash. We are on a cliff right now. Dark, bro, yes, we are, man. This purple line is the cliff, dude. This purple line is the cliff. There's a little ledge. There's a little ledge right below this purple line. Right below the cliff, there's a little ledge, dude. And then if we don't hit this ledge, if we just bounce off this ledge, dude, we're on a little bit of another ledge. I don't know what you would have right here. And then, dude, the cliff could go all the way down to here, man. And if it does, everybody on the TV, right? Everybody you see on the TV is gonna be like, whoa. I thought it was okay. Inflation might have been a bigger problem than we thought. Like, it's gonna be wild, dude. New foe! Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Nufo. Dude, I saw some video yesterday. I don't know if it's I don't know how these people recommend videos to me. I might have been scrolling through TikTok or Shorts. I forget where it was now. And this dude is making cat noises in front of a cat, man. I swear to you, this cat thought this dude was a cat because he was like looking like the cat was looking at him like that. That dude was making some good cat noises. I thought my cat noises were good, but nah, man, that dude was killing it. That dude is the real cat noise maker right there. He's wearing like I don't know if he's got a hard hat on or something, but he's on a roof. making these cat noises. Yeah, dude, that cat was going wild. Any of you guys seen that video? Clear up. I know this is going to be controversial, but me and Emma think we need to establish ground rules for the end of the stream encores. We want death by cat. We don't want a death by cat sticker situation. All right. What kind of ground rules do we need to establish? Ground rule. Oh, I do owe you guys. What do I owe you guys from yesterday? Speaking of that, Pika, I do owe you guys some super stickers. First of all, I think that would be pretty cool, though. Death by cat super stickers. Like, you guys meowed me to death. The good news about that is that my YouTube channel would become even more infamous if you guys killed me by sending me super stickers. Like, then and only then does the artist become famous after he dies. So that would actually be very beneficial. If you guys did kill me by super stickers, we would surpass Mr. Beast level. That video right there, I swear to God, somebody better make sure monetization is turned on that video, because I would be ticked. I'd be rolling over in this chair, aka my grave, if monetization was not turned on that live stream. And you guys did kill me at the end of the live stream by sending me super stickers. Death by meow. And it's not monetized. Yeah. I would not be able to die peacefully. That would not be a rest in peace situation. That would be a rest in peace situation. So yeah, somebody's got to make sure, like, Nick F comes over and confirms that the monetization was turned on if you guys do kill me. Second of all, you probably won't kill me. I can go and I can go and I can go. Dude, I can go. I'm telling you right now, I can go. So you can see where my priorities are, Pika, right now. I don't think I'm going to die. If I were actually going to die, I would probably do it off screen like this, so you guys didn't get to see it, and you'd get to hear it, right? It would still, I don't think that YouTube would demonetize that. If I actually died on screen, they probably would. I would do it like this, so that you guys could listen, but not watch. Because I'm pretty sure that does violate terms and conditions. If you have to watch me, peril. In peril. Other than that, I don't know, man. I don't know. Listen, if you guys are having fun, keep having fun. I mean, if you're gonna send me super stickers, just don't try to send the super stickers like 15, 20 seconds after I go this screen. If that screen's on there for, I try to count to 10, and I may be a little lenient letting it go more than 10 seconds. I'm not trying to milk you guys, and I know you guys aren't necessarily trying to milk me. It's the lag and the timing sometimes. So if I do go to this screen for more than 10 seconds or something and do end up clicking end, I mean, that just is what it is. I do feel bad if I see something come over afterwards, but I can't help that timing. And I also, like, I don't want to sit here and milk you guys and say, ooh, 20 seconds. Somebody's going to send something. Ooh, 30 seconds. No, I'm not going to do anything like that. But, yeah. If it's blank screen like that for 10 seconds or so, I will end it. And, I don't know. I think would it, unless you guys want to make it like only wanna style super stickers and super chats after game time is over. Hey man, whatever you guys want, right? Let's see. Where's Poodle when I need him? What's going on, bro? We gonna rally here in October or what? Bring the beaver. I honestly think we rally to the downside in October, dude. I'm not saying that to be like negative Nancy or whatever. I honestly think we rally to the downside. I think October 13th. I don't know why I'm so pessimistic about October 13th, but inflation rates coming out October 13th. I think it's gonna be bad, dude. I think it's gonna be bad. I really do. Let's see. What do you think the floor would be for AMC? How low do you think you could possibly go? Vignan. Depends on how much dilution Adam Aaron throws out there. I think that we could see the lows. What does that correlate to? Where does that correlate to where we were back here? I don't think it's impossible to get back into this area, man. I don't think it's impossible to get back into this $1 to $2 area. I really don't. And I know that's pessimistic, right? I know that's really low, but I'm basing that off the overall market, dude. If the overall market gets trashed right here and really does start to collapse down to 2020 highs and 2020 lows, nothing's going to be doing well, man. Nothing's going to be doing well. It's going to be a tough time if that's what we end up seeing on the market. All right, line those bad boys back up. Good to go. Let's go. Claybro, personally, I want you to establish a safe word. And I am done shutting this down, shutting the stream down. As a mod, I don't like stop no more and not really know what you mean. All right, guys. There is this big red button on my screen that says end stream. The safe word is, if I click that button, the stream ends. So like if I click that button, boom, and the stream ends, we're gonna be good to go. I will listen. I don't want to be like a jerk by saying this. I will never stop you guys from like sending me money. Okay, if you do want to send super chats, I will never stop you from sending me a super chat. I think that's an incredible display of generosity, but at the same time, I do want to just not sit here and receive super chats or anything. I believe that they deserve some form of, I don't know, entertainment, recognition, something, man. It's not like you're just sitting here sending money and sending money and sending money, and I'm like, whoa, or anything like that, man. It is like, you do deserve something for it, and I gotta act like a fool or answer questions or stuff like that. You know, I get that. And but no, listen, Emma D, if I'm calling on you and please make it stop. Oh my god. No, like if there's a big, it actually is pretty big. It's like that big, right? All right. Now, listen up, guys. I just said that this here is pretty big, okay? The button is like this big, and that is pretty big. For a button, okay? For a button, it's big. And it's red, too. So half the time it's blocked by my microphone, so I kind of forget that it's there. But I absolutely will click it if necessary. If I need to go do the videos, if I need to go if I need to go to the bathroom, like if I know this is weird, but if I need to go to the bathroom, I'll probably click that button, too, and then be like, oops, internet cut out. And, all of that good stuff. But as a mod, I will never ask a mod to do something that I can't do, okay? So anybody that's worried about that, like if you see somebody come in here causing problems, I mean, I might ask you so I don't have to switch to the different screen to block some dude that's literally like slandering somebody or something. But you guys are extremely good at taking care of that. But I promise you, man, like if I'm going to have a heart attack or something, I will definitely click the big red button. That's what big red buttons are for. Emergency situations. Boop! And it will end the stream. You only got to click it once. It doesn't even ask you to confirm. Even an accidental click right now would end the stream. It's a dangerous button, man. That's why they painted it red. Let's see. Asking us the safe word. Yes, the safe word is not meow, because I will be meowing, I am sure, multiple times. Let's see. Safe word. Yeah, safe word is not a safe actions. Just big red buttons get clicked if necessary. Let's see. The pineapple upside down, asking for a friend. Sam. The pineapple might be upside down. Wow. Pineapple's right side. What is that thing? Pineapple's right side up or like, okay, we're game, but not right now. And then pineapple's upside down or like, come on in. Like, what? I don't understand the pineapple thing. Hey, this is a reset period. Housing and market is 2020 price point. This is a price target. Has been noted that that's where they're trying to get back to. Inflation has to get back to that point. Kenneth. So are you saying that this is the price point that we're at right now? You're thinking this could be the minimum? I know inflation has to get back down to the 2% target, right? I know that part. But are you saying that in like we are at the target price point for houses and such, or do you think that we're getting back to the 2020 price point? So you're saying we're going back down to those 2020 prices? Okay, I didn't know if you were saying like we're at the 2020 price point for housing right now, or we got to get back to the 2020 price point. Maybe it was marmalade. Yes, it could. I don't even know what marmalade is. So Clay, I don't know if you saw me yesterday, but I bought puts on Sundial for revenge. No, I didn't see that you bought puts on Sundial. Oh my god, you did pretty well on that one if you got them last night. What I will ask is this, Bronson. I thought it was you. Did you say you got 276s yesterday on the QQQ, or was that somebody else? Because dude, if you bought 276s on the QQQ yesterday, destroying it right now. But everything is up. Yes, it is, Wayne Grow. Yes, it is, dude. Everything is getting jacked right now. Your safe word is Ayafaloloyoko. Ayafaloloyoko. That's my safe word. Kenneth from Connecticut. Kev Machine, do you feel like maybe we are getting too complicated and invested in burning, and instead of should focus more on utility? More utility equals more. So Kev Machine, personally I do. Okay? Let me try to justify that, okay? Not necessarily just too invested or worried about burning, because it can help, right? But I think the mentality surrounding burning is that that's the only way to create value for Terra Luna Classic and some of these other coins right now, is to burn the supply and make them more rare, make them more scarce. And I get it. It does work, yes. But there's a misconception between numbers. And people start to view trillions as a low number. And they start to view billions of dollars as a low number. And with coins like Shiba and Terra Luna Classic both having over $1 billion valuations, burning half the supply burns on Shiba, what, $3-4 billion? Burning half the supply on Terra Luna Classic burns almost between like 750 million and $1 billion. At roughly the price points we're at. That's a lot of money to just go out there and have sent to a burn wallet. And that takes time. So that's why in some of the videos that I've been doing recently, I've been trying to shift the focus onto burns are the gains multiplier, right? If you go out and you hit the lottery and you win that $1 million prize, that's awesome. If you get the Powerball or whatever it is, or you paid for the multiplier, then you get the gains multiplier. That's even better. But it's just a multiplier. The work is going to come and the value is going to come from rebuilding the blockchain. The multiplier comes from the gains. And I think that it's fine, dude. I think it's fine to take 10 years, 20 years for those multipliers. Because if you're just rebuilding value and you're 20, 30, 40xing your money, dude, that's amazing. But then the burns can turn that 20, 30, 40x into a 40, 60, 100x gain, or a 100, 200, 500x gain, depending on how much is burned. So yeah, Kev, I do agree with you on that. No, I had 280s, and I bought some 269s at 32 cents today. Nice. Bronson. Oh my god. Dude. Bronson's rich. Bronson's rich. Bronson's rich. Dude, Bronson killing the put game, man. Clayburn, 2.5 trillion coins right now would cost $721 million. 3.5 million holders buy $206.21 and send it to the burn portal, LUNC to a penny. But Clay has to set up the time and date. Kenneth, I would love for that to happen. I will say this, though. I can guarantee you there are people who buy Terra Luna Classic that cannot afford to burn $206. I know that they can't, man. Some people, I would bet some people have 10,000 Terra Luna Classic, 20,000 Terra Luna Classic, and they're treating it as that lottery ticket, right? They want to turn that $10, the $5 into $1,000 and move on with that and really start a portfolio. So it would be extremely difficult, in my opinion, for an average $206 burn. Your numbers are absolutely right. They are definitely right. But I think that it would be a lot harder than just say. Clicking at Sandy Safe Food while eating a banana or a hot dog. His mama always taught him it's rude to talk with his mouth full. Dude, mama didn't raise no quitter. Let me tell you about that right now. Mama didn't raise no quitter. Shout out to you, Mom. Oh, gosh. It is true, though. New foe, Pringleton, Pluto. Ahoo! Oh, we go. Remember what I told you? My recruiter told me the job numbers were being based off of listings, not actual jobs. Today's report makes me suspect that they were right. It's all lies. 263,000 jobs added, right? Is that what it was? 263,000 new jobs there. Above expectations at 250,000. Short of last month's numbers at, was it 350? Or right around 350? Good evening, Clay and everyone. Good evening, Serenus Croy. Hopefully you're having a great day today. Click that like button. Do it. How many likes we got, guys? You guys actually make me a little sad. The last two live streams I looked, 70 likes and 80 likes. I don't base my happiness on likes, but there was well over 100 people in both of those live streams. You guys definitely could, well, the total 1,000 views, but 100 people at any given time in those live streams. Click the like button. My gosh, what are you doing? How boys and girls, Chad's back. Oh yes, Moas imminent, baby. Bro, I always want to take out the majority of my LUNC because I believe the market is going to just crash at any moment, but then it would probably spike right up afterwards because, hey, well, Dark Bro, I'm going to tell you right now. Sacrifice yourself for the rest of us, man. We want that spike, and if it's going to spike because you take it out, we want it. Spike, 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 spike. Dump your LUNC right now. We've got, hey Clay, I just saw an ad about 16 trillion USD commodity sector that is growing fast and has outgrown the S&P. I believe it was on clean energy. The ad wouldn't say, but do you have any insight? No, I don't have any insight on how big the clean energy sector is. I will say this, though. The clean energy sector, yes, is probably growing at a very rapid pace because that is a very major concern. Is clean energy necessarily a concern of mine? No, not really. I think that, yes, we should be doing things to better the environment and so on, but those that really push clean energy most likely have investments in clean energy, and they took advantage of that $16 trillion move higher, if that's what it's about. So, yeah, dude, clean energy is probably going to be a focus over the next few decades, and probably will do very well. Bulldog Trading. What's going on, Bulldog Trading? Smashing that like button. Thank you very much. Drop text to 0.2% and watch the burns explode. Brad Kippenbrock. Listen, that's a possibility, man. Which goes into what I was concerned about to begin with, right? Did we do any research on 1.2% being the tax? If we did, well, okay, man, I guess that's going to be great. If we didn't, 1.2% may be too much, maybe encouraging holding more than it is trading and burning. However, I also think that a lot of the trading takes place on exchanges, not necessarily on blockchain wallets. So a lot of the trading that takes place, man, is going to be the exchanges, not just the holders on the blockchain. What's up, Clay? Watching from Germany, Army base. Champagne Poppy. Dang, dude, that sounds really cool. I've been in a German airport before, but that's it. Never actually in Germany. What do you think about the Binance hack? Do you think it might be a bit of a karma going against CZ for only burning $1.29 million of LUNC because he didn't want to do off-chain burns 1.2%? Because it cost too much. Now his platform lost $100 million. So odd. Matthew, I don't think that it's necessarily karma for going against the burns like that. Matter of fact, dude, the guy ended up burning what, $1.85 million worth of Terra Luna Classic last week, and he's gonna burn millions of dollars more on Monday here. So I don't think that it's karma for that. I think that it's just, I don't like thieves, right? So I don't think anybody stealing anything from anybody else is going to be like bad karma coming back around. I think that thieves are scum, even if you're doing a $500 million heist. Right? I think that thieves are absolute scum. So I would never, unless you're Aladdin, but we've already had this conversation, I would never like justify, all right, well, dude, you had that coming to you because you didn't do this, so you got a thief out there that brought you justice. Never, dude. You'll never see a thief on my good side unless it's Aladdin. That little street rat, dude, he stole my heart so many years ago, and he will never give it back. You can always buy back in, Dark. Yes, you can. He doesn't want to buy back in higher, though. Sam number 5. What happened to 3 and 4? Sam Demand number 5. Heck yeah. Sam Demand is just leveling up. QQQ continuing down right now. Sam Demand number 5. Did you buy any puts on the QQQ today, dude? Because if you did, you are rich. This is some devastating moves, guys. The NASDAQ, one of the largest declines in the last few months happening today, over a 3.25% decline, and I would not be surprised even if we did come down another $200 here and retest this line of support and maybe another 1-2% decline. So we could have some major moves to the downside just adding up today. If this line's broken, golly bum, wait till next Monday. This is ridiculous, guys. These are ridiculous numbers over here. And it's not like today is the only day. It's not like this is last year and we're just seeing some sort of a huge decline today. No, this has been going on for a year. Like, these level of declines have been going on for a year. It's wild, the action that we're seeing. It's not normal. It's a massive bear market. An ape, dude, I'm convinced that I wasn't even dreaming. It was just a premonition. Now I'm convinced that ape's going to $1.49. I had that dream like back here when it was like $5 or $6. I didn't even think that it was going to happen that way, but it seems nasty today. Gosh. Just practicing for overtime. You're a trooper, Clay. Moji. You're a trooper, man. I'm gonna fill this water bottle up. I'm gonna wear a diaper. Dude, you guys will not keep me on this chair, man. Not keep me on. No, man. I'm gonna wear a diaper. I'm gonna fill that bad boy up right there. Go till freaking midnight. Rozzy? Rozzy who? You guys are about to meet the real Clay, bro. He ain't scared of nothing. Oh, crap. Look at Shiba. That's not that big, though. That's what... My gosh, why are we always talking about size here? Calm down, Clay. Yeah, 11.05 to 10.99 is not a big decline. But we are seeing Bitcoin get a little testy here. Bitcoin coming down to 19.4. About to test this 19 level. If it tests 19, we know 18 is next, guys. And if 18 is broken, that's bad news if 18 gets broken. So even though it's only a 2% decline on the day today, it still is a big move down because we are so close to these levels of support right here. My gosh. How much Bitcoin you guys buying if Biden comes out and says that Bitcoin's illegal or whatever, and it drops down to $500? You guys loading up? Dude, I'll send money. I know some of you guys are overseas, man. I'll send money to one of you guys, and you guys can buy it for me and just give me the keys to the wallet. Yeah, I trust you. With how much I talk about scammers being scum, if any of you guys scam me, I would be ticked. Yeah, so if they come out and they say anything like that, dude, and Bitcoin tanks down to like $500, one of you guys that lives overseas better be loading up for me. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I can go through all this. Pringleton, I'm looking at you. Overseas, man, I tell you, you better be ready to load up for me. Let's see. Bro, I had a dream. Bitcoin went to 5,000, threw him back to 200. Shiba added 2 zeros, and everything just tanked. Dark, bro, I really don't think that's impossible, man. Ape will go under $1. Sorry, but I think people will get tired of the delusion. Once AMC starts buying back apes, that's when I think people will start buying ape because it will be cheaper than AMC. Dang, man, that means my dream was wrong. If it actually if it touched $1.49 and that was the low, like I'm not some guy that believes, oh, it's got to come true because I had a dream about that. That would actually be kind of scary if it went to $1.49 exactly and then up. Nah, that'd be pretty creepy. Bitcoin to 5,000. Let's go, Kenneth. WTF, AMC. Everything is falling right now, man. We got tough times ahead. Oh my gosh, dude. Economic collapse. Let's sound the alarm. We're gonna die. I'm not gonna participate in the forced overtime anymore. I guess a little bit too much. Well, dude, I guess Rossi's going to have to do all the work tonight by himself. Get your tickets, bro. The train is leaving soon for the Bone Dome on Mars. Wayne, is it going to go up? Is it going to go down first or what? Should I buy some bone just to have some? Vice versa, when AMC starts buying back AMC, then people will buy up AMC. Quite possibly. When's that going to be, though, man? How much lower do you guys think we actually have to go? Don't you think the talk about the minting of 500 billion coins is a betrayal for CZ, who is burning his own revenue? Oh, dude, I think it's a betrayal for everybody that's been burning, not just for CZ. I mean, I know CZ burned a... wasn't just it was Binance's revenue, not CZ's personal revenue. But yeah, dude, $1.8 million is a lot of money to burn, and then people just talk about minting an extra 500 billion. That's why I think there's much better plans that are out there. Frank, thank you very much for the super chat. Frank says, smash that like button, no spamming, keep comments respectful. Calls for violence or civil disorder can negatively affect the channel. Yes, it can. Don't be negative. Be positive. Always. Frank, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that, man. Poodle Clay gave a set. He's good. Grew a set. Clay grew a set. Moji OT. Moji changes his name to Moji OT. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Funny thing is, man, the joke's on you. I'm not even going to open my live stream till 6 p.m. tonight. Then we can only go till 7 and it's normal time. Oh, yeah, dude. What are you going to do about that? Nothing, because I choose when to go on. Hey, Clay, do you think an escalation of the war in Ukraine will have a significant effect on the crypto market? Alpha, yes. I think, so anything like that. I don't know if just like a prolonged effect or whatever. But, yeah, dude. And I don't know if YouTube is weird in transcribing these things, but, you know, if the guy that's in charge of Russia decides to drop one of those big explosions on Ukraine, yeah, I do think it would have a very large effect on crypto, stocks, economic recovery, all of that, man. Because it's not just going to affect those two countries. You know, at that point, it's like... I don't know, man. When a pitcher intentionally hits the batter in a baseball game and everybody charges the mound, you know? It's like that type of a situation. It could just lead to chaos. And one of the things that we know about times of political uncertainty and times of economic uncertainty is that everybody tries to be certain. Meaning they're going to go for the safest returns, safest assets, potential run on the banks, keep their money under a mattress, and so on. So yeah, it would definitely affect the crypto market in a negative way, man. Clipper, oh, Bitcoin to 3,000. Forgot my cup. Dude, I'll buy Bitcoin at 3,000. Let's go. Clipper, please know you want QQQ is good for me. Thank you for the help. I got $263 for Q3, not cons like Shiba and Inks 2. Sam Demand. Sweet, dude. Made $263 on the QQQ. That is awesome, dude. For real. And it's still going down today. Oh my god. All right, here's what I want. Somebody call the QQQ close right now. Somebody call the QQQ close. It's down 3.5%. I want somebody to call the QQQ close right now. Gosh. Jeez. 270.19. This purple line is gonna be broken. I'm telling you that, man. Ridiculous. Sam Demand, congratulations on that 263 though. Man, that's awesome, dude. It really is. I think the market price in the whole Ukraine thing. But if it got more serious, yeah, it would affect things. So then you have POTUS talking about Armageddon, who's buddies at a fundraiser. It makes you wonder, man. It makes you think he's giving them a head start to short the market. Matthew. Look, dude, I don't think that we need any advice from anybody else. When you see devastation like this over on the left-hand side of the screen, you know, Ape down 8%, QQQ, the entire market down 3.5%, Netflix down, Highcroft down, BBIG down, SPY down. Like, these stocks are all down 5 to 15%, dude. These stocks aren't down 0.5%, 1%. These stocks are down 5 to 15% today. It's a ridiculous day. Mojios mandated reported. I'm all about that. Heck yeah. I really think Elon should have bought out YouTube to see how many bots are running. Wouldn't it be hilarious if Elon bought out YouTube and he found out that my channel has the most bots that leave comments on it? Like, I've got more spam bots than Mr. Beast. It'd be crazy. Bro, I've noticed every time CPI comes out, if they are expecting negative results, the market generally drops about 48 to 72 hours before the release of information. Yeah, that's a possibility, Dark Bro. So that's people feeding off the expectations, right? That's people looking at those consensus estimates there and making their decisions based on that. And then if it beats those expectations, it rises back up. But that's I don't even want to say more conservative investors, but that's traditional investors basing their decisions on the consensus estimates. Closed down 8%. Stig Beater! Thank you for being the only person in the chat that actually guessed where the QQQ is going to end today. 8% would be a wild decline. Oh my gosh, 8%. Just take out an equity line at that point and just put it all on red. Just put it all on red, man. If the market collapses like that, yeah, dude. What's the housing market going to be worth anyway? Just take the equity line out now. Oh my gosh. I say we do it. We're all bots. Pringleton, I'm a bot too, man. You guys think that I'm real, but I'm not. Hello, when I use my phone, my Sky router box turns off and I lose my internet connection. I have phoned Sky about this and they say it's my laptop, but it has a new wireless card. Is the box outside? I do not know. If anybody would know the answer to that, please help out Crypto Burger, but I do not. Cleveland margin call. Victor! I don't know when margin call, man. I don't know. If these guys are playing into the downside, if they're short, they're making bank right now. Zomland, IRM, and BMY all in the green today. Diversification, baby. Yeah, nothing on the left-hand side of the screen except LUNC is in the green for me today. I've bought $2,600 in silver and gold, Shiba, Crow, and Ethereum. Roulette wheel. Nice, man. Fun fact, when stocks go down, they have to go up exponentially higher to reach the same price as before. Yes, Alpha Q. Good example of that. If a stock loses 90% of its value, it has to gain 1,000% to reach the same price. If a stock loses 50% of its value, it has to gain 100% to get back up there. So you're absolutely right, man. The more stock goes down, it is exponentially higher that it has to go to come back up to break even. Let's see. Time to buy Dogecoin as soon as possible because Elon Musk is buying Twitter. Brother Alfonso. Hey, could be a thing, man. I know Dogecoin got a little spike the day that Elon said that the Twitter deal should be back on. I don't think Elon is buying anything. He's looking for funding to expire, which coincidentally happens the day the trial has been deferred to, so he still has an out. And that dude's a genius. Hey, bro. Yes, Ing Andro. I am a bot, dude. That's why you never see the lower half of me. CGI, dude. My creator gave up. Claybro, Sam Demand number 2. Claybro, old girlfriend is good and go to church again. Thank you for the tips to the girl. You're welcome, Sam Demand number 2. Good for you, Sam. Church, good for you. Heck yeah. Dollar cost average. Fed can't raise interest rates forever. That's what you think there, roulette wheel. Yeah, dude, we're going to end up like Venezuela. We're going to see interest rates that are like 400%. Inflation rates that are like 1,000%. It's going to be ridiculous, dude. Donde vas? Best dating sites ever. Notos. In and out, man. In and out. They've been here and they've been kicked out. Yes, thank you, no more. There you go. There you go. Sam Demand number 2. Yep. Dap Radar up almost 30%. Everything else gone to crap. I'm telling you, JB, man, it's a wild market we're seeing today. Dogecoin on Mars may take 1,000 years to make it to 1 penny, but it's good for a stable coin. It is up. It is going up a bit. There you go, Sarah DeStecroy. Sarah DeStecroy, you got Dogecoin on Mars? I don't have any Dogecoin on Mars. That's what she said. No toast. It probably is. Sam's a good guy. Sam's a good guy. He's making money on the QQQ and he enjoys his old girlfriend. Going to church together and having a good time. I like it. GameStop down 5% today. QQQ 3.44, right at this major level of support. Guys, it is sitting on this purple line. Oh my gosh. If it falls through, I think we got a big decline ahead of us, but it's doing exactly what you would expect it to do when you get to this purple line and showing us some support there. Anybody think Ape drops below $2 today? I'm going to say yeah. I'm going to say yeah. I'm going to say yep. Ape drops below $2 today. We'll have to find out on that one. Terra Luna Classic still in the green though. 0.75% higher right now. Not doing too bad over there. Support on the QQQ right here at 270. Right where that purple line is. Aw, Sam, you sweet, sweet summer child. Did you check out the live yesterday? That was with Oscar Ramos and Crypto King and everyone. I did not, JB. Why was I not invited to that live? Come on. Looks for the lower half super emoji. It doesn't exist on my channel because YouTube already knows. Yes, I think we are all turn to barter and trade in the near future instead of cryptocurrency, especially if they do a CBDC, central bank digital currency, and put us on the social credit score. Yeah, Matthew. You're definitely going extreme too, and I know I'm talking kind of extreme this morning as well. I hope it doesn't go that far, dude. I really do. Who wants to help me create a coin that allows you to catch between wallets? It would be like a crypto dating, but with staking. What do you mean, Alpha Q? What do you mean? That allows you to catch between wallets, like crypto dating, but with staking. Help me out on that one. Any QQQ, have you ever exercised any options? No, so no, I don't own any QQQ. I've only played QQQ options. I don't think Ape is going anywhere. Ooh, Sarah DeStecroy says Ape isn't going anywhere. I think Ape drops below $2, but ends just above. Pringleton, I like the accuracy there. That is going on with Terra. Is the volume pumping? I don't think the volume's pumping on Terra Luna Classic right now. No volume on Weeble. Let's see. Whoa! About to see the lower half if that camera falls. Let's see. Where's the volume at today? Volume is up a little bit today. You are right. If we come out to CoinMarketCap here, CoinMarketCap showing volume up 47% today. $397 million traded. People could be anticipating or selling off because of what's going on in the overall crypto market. Just a little bit more of a volatile day. I don't know if the vast majority of that is buy or sell volume or what we're looking at there. But yeah, it does seem like volume is up across the board. An increase in 36% in Binance volume. Increase in 7, almost 8% in KuCoin volume. So volume is up today, man. I don't know why, but volume is up today. Matthew! I watch a lot, but don't always get to donate. Thanks for your lives and positive nature of your channel overall. Matthew, dude, thank you very much for that super chat. Listen, man, you guys could watch every single day for the rest of your life, never send a super chat, and just have some fun in here, and that is more than enough for me, man. More than enough for me. Obviously, I really appreciate that super chat there, and the fact that you do watch a lot, man, and hang out and have a good time in here. So, really appreciate you, Matthew. Thank you very much for that, dude. Emily, yes, thank you, is good, but won't give up on the girls, but will get good and not bad to them for Clay, bro, and Pika and Jay, bro. Thank you for your help. Yeah, Sam, that's all you gotta ever do, man. Just be good. Be good and you'll be good. It's cyclical. Let's see. John David, apes at an all-time low. AMC heading there as well. What should we do? John David, I do believe if the market continues to crash down and we do fall through these levels, that yes, AMC and ape will be coming down even further. What do? It's up to you, man. If it's time for you to sell, you sell. It's as simple as that. I don't know if it's time for you to sell or not. There's a heck of a lot of LUNC influencers there, and I did put your name forward to be contacted. Don't worry, I'll hammer Oscar to invite you, and the one, Matt Perry, and share. JB. Appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, I don't know if I got an invite or not. It depends on what time it was, on whether or not I could have joined in. All good, though. All good. Clay, Chipmunk Coin is pumping. Scott, I imagine Chipmunk Coin is doing very well. Chipmunk Coins always do well. Crypto dating requires showing your balance before meeting up. I prefer the rabbit and weasel coin. What? Oh, crypto dating. My pot is empty, so I'll be single for life. Dude, everybody's pot's empty after this year, man. Dude, I made a Twitter account for the sake of LUNC info. JB, good deal, dude. Autocorrect did me really dirty just then, but all good. It was a dumb idea anyway. Nah, dude, it ain't gonna be a dumb idea. Come on now. You got us all talking about crypto dating, man. Now we all want to know what crypto dating is. Dollar cost average available? Right, absolutely, man. Look, we are potentially seeing some once-in-a-lifetime opportunities, twice-in-a-lifetime opportunities, potentially here. But depending on how far down this comes, you're not going to have too many people that were able to dollar cost average or buy some lows back in 2000 still being able to buy some lows right now. If they started investing during the dot-com bubble, I guess, yes, they could be, and hopefully they didn't ride this whole thing down here. But, yeah, man, especially if you guys are getting started right now, getting started on what could be some devastating losses is going to catapult you forward beyond what anybody could have hoped for. So there's always a silver lining when things go down. You can't give up. But you can see the QQQ right now falling through that purple line down to the bottom left-hand side of the screen. The QQQ down here is sitting at 269.92 right now. It may be breaking down a new intraday low here. We may end up seeing a pretty steep red line, knowing that this line right here has potentially been broken. So we're right there at that level. I wouldn't be surprised to see a pretty decent red line if traders become confident that this purple line is broken. Definitely going to be keeping our eyes on that. Moji for OT! Thank you very much for the super sticker, man. I really appreciate that banana. You take the banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, you stick it. Moji, you notice, man, Never lose the eye contact. Thank you very much, Moji. Really appreciate that super sticker. Getting me loose for tonight, man. Yeah, getting me loose for tonight. Oh, yeah. Have you been drinking? What, water? What are we talking about? Crypto dating is when your date asks for Bitcoin instead of cash after the night ends. Roulette wheel. I don't know if that's a date or if that's a business expense. I'm waiting for this crash. OPEX is going to help it fall even more from today forward. The lows are about to get even lower, and I have my wheelbarrow ready to pick up coins at the bottom. Nice, man. Well, let me ask you this, guys. I'm gonna pose this question here, okay? And you can only choose one. You can only choose one, because otherwise I would probably say both. You can only choose one. Let's say the stock market and the crypto market both get devastated. I'm talking, Russia actually does have I can say Russia. Russia actually has one of those huge explosions, and things are wild for a while. And we've got devastation in the stock market. You're talking 2008 lows. Okay, you're talking 2008 lows. Like, just nobody thought it would go that low ever again. But we're back down at 2009 was the low, March of 2009. So we're touching support at March 2009 lows there. Crypto market destroyed as well, man. Potentially on the same level. But crypto is sitting somewhere around Bitcoin, man, $500 a coin. Ethereum sitting at $5. The world is saying crypto is stupid. It is definitely over. And you're looking at Zcash trading at 15 cents. Massive. The entire crypto market might be worth $10 billion. Okay? Question is, you guys can only buy stocks or you can only buy crypto? Let me know. Is it crypto or is it you can only buy one. You cannot buy both. The world is saying that crypto is done. It looks like economic collapse across the globe. Okay? Everything, like it is wild. In order for prices to go that low, it would have to be wild. So it is looking wild out there. Which one are you buying? Are you buying stocks or are you buying crypto? And I'm talking they're both getting massacred. They're blood red in both markets, man. Hypothetically. Yes, right. Hypothetically. And you can't buy everything, dude. You can't buy. I said one or the other. You can't change the rules now. Like I said, I would buy both if that was an answer. There's only one answer. It's either crypto or it's stocks. Which one are you going with? Let's see. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Kenneth is going crypto. Clay bro, no bull emoji, please, for the... Yeah, man, I will never bully Moji, dude. Never. I like Moji. I said 268. You got them 268s today? Dude, if you bought them 268s today, you're banking right now, Bronson. You're banking right now. I could use a poll because nobody's answering this question. Frank says commodities. Frank's going commodities. Okay. Stocks, poll though. All right, you guys want a little poll? You want to click that button right there? You want to get a little poll going on? We can get a little poll going on right now. You guys know the situation. Global devastation. Which are you buying? Crypto, stocks. You can't buy. You can't buy both. You can only click one of those. Global devastation. Which one are you buying? Crypto or stocks? And since I'm on that YouTube page, guys, only 65 likes. You really do want to see me cry, right? Click the like button. Oh my gosh. I don't even care if you dislike the stream. Just click the like button. What are you doing? Crypto, obviously. I can still easily trade with other holders. Many will always hold more intrinsic value than stocks, which have no way of trading between ourselves. M&D might be onto something there. Let's see. 28 votes. Keep voting. And get rid of that Chat 69 guy. Look, the Chat 69 guy just needs to start actually chatting in here. he could probably, like, if one of you guys decided to create some dating website and you were chatting in here about it, you'd probably get some users. My gosh. Right, what goes down must come up. Yes, but Newton's law of motion states a body remains at rest or in motion at constant speed in a straight line unless acted upon by a force, aka the floor. What is this super stick? Roulette wheel! Yes, man. Oh, I like this one. Roulette wheel. You're amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing. Roulette wheel. You know what you are? You're amazing. Roulette wheel. Thank you very much for the super stick. That's fun, man. That's a fun one. If you guys don't know what fun is, that is fun. Roulette wheel, you are fun, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. I like it, dude. I like it. Gosh, dude, don't tell my mom that I'm out of breath after that one. She'll make me start working out again or something. Thank you. Oh, and Peak of Power. 10 memberships. Pick up those memberships, guys. Peak of Power throwing out 10 green names in the chat right now. Go, 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 go. Get them, get them, get them. JB, throwing a green name. Loving it, man. Loving these guys picking up green names right now. A lot of you guys, I don't see you active in the chat, so make sure to stay active with these green names. Demon96, I Have Spoken, WGAS, Jimmy, Tom, Kyle, J-Lo, Ben, all of you guys, man. Clipper, you shorty. Dude, yeah, I'm not no like 6'5" dude. Come on now, we know this. Peak of Power, absolutely amazing, guys. JB, I'm actually glad to see that you got a green name out of that one. Very active in the chat. Really appreciate the fact that you got that green name there. All of you other guys that picked up green names from Peak of Power, please say thank you. I don't know if you're active watchers and you're in here every day or not, but please say thank you if you just saw your name come across the screen and you got a green name there. Nonetheless, everybody else, because I don't know if these guys are active or not, please thank Peak of Power for sending 10 green names. Everybody's going to be green in here, man. Everybody's going to be green in here. It's going to get ridiculous, Peak of Power. Thank you very much. All of these names are going to be green. Loving it right now. Loving it. Guys, throw those green names. I'm getting rid of this poll so I can see what's going on in the chat. Let's see. The vast majority saying crypto. Crypto in that situation. Very nice. Thank you, Pika. Yes, thank you very much. JB throwing that green name. Loving it, man. Let's see. Demon96, man. Thank you very much, Demon96, for throwing that thank you out there. Really appreciate that, especially if I don't see your name too often in the chat. It means a lot to say thank you to Pika. You got that green name now, man. It should last a month, right? And then it is your choice at the end of the month if you want to keep a green name or not. But nonetheless, man, Pika, thank you for the generosity there. All these guys got green names now. Loving the fact on that. Welcome all you 10 million people. Make sure to throw your love, Pika. Yes, do it. And JB, man, JB's got that green name now. Fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, baby, JB. Oh, yes. Now, who's the OG JB? Now we don't know. Both of them got those green names there, JB. What are we doing? Who's the real one? Who's the fake one? Let's see. I said this one ages ago, but I can't remember if we discussed. Why can't we use stocks to pay for things like crypto, like buy a pizza with 3 AMC, etc., using certain apps? Pringleton. You know, I guess because it's not normal. It is the best and only answer I can have there. Because I believe, okay, and I don't know if I could do it to you because I don't know if you guys got Cashapp overseas. But on Cashapp, I believe that I can actually send you a share of AMC, okay? And I could send you a share of GameStop or whatever. I could send you a share of stock. I could send you a crypto on Cashapp. But I guess it's simply because the volatility in the assets doesn't necessarily make it something people want to use as a currency. They prefer, if I had a dollar, I know I'm going to have a dollar. And if I get an AMC, well, I'm going to have $7, $6, $5, $10, $20, $4, $13. You know, they don't know what the actual value is at that point. But the same way you have places that accept Shiba Inu coin and different cryptocurrencies now, yeah, you technically could pay. I mean, I could do it right now. If you wanted to buy, a Claybro shirt or whatever, and you wanted to give me two shares of AMC for a Claybro shirt, I mean, technically, you can make that happen on Cashapp, right? But I don't know why it's not mainstream, and the best answer that I could come up with would be because it's a volatile asset, and people don't barter or don't trade in volatile assets. The usual suspects, loving it. Yes, baby, Demon 96 is getting active in the chat right now. Look what you did, Pika. You woke up a new bro. I like that. Pika. You woke up a new bro on that one. I don't know about everybody else that just got green names, but JB definitely doing good to grab that green name. And Demon 96, man, waking a new bro up here, loving it. How much would a billion tectonic be worth at half a penny? So a billion tectonic at $1 is $1 billion. At 10 cents, it's $100 million. At a penny, it is $10 million. Half a penny, $5 million. So it would be worth $5 million at half a penny. Is green name good for me? Thank you. Sam the man number 5. You got that green name, baby, and it is a very good thing for you, Sam. Thank you very much for keeping that green name. Netherlands is saying hello to everyone. Mark Bowens, man, hello to you. Glad to have you in here. Is that not the same for crypto volatility, though? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. But I think what a lot of people do with crypto volatility, and they could do with stocks, is the moment they get that crypto, they cash it out for a stable coin or US dollars. So it is absolutely the same thing, Pringleton. I think it's just... I think it must just be the mentality surrounding it, dude. Okay, what's going on? My post flashed before posting. I'm on reviewing my post before posting. Probably not on that one, Moji. But I don't know if something's being held or not. I see it when it comes up through Streamlabs here. Join the Discord if your name turned green. Unlike the mark, yes, if your name just turned green, join the Discord, guys. We got a couple minutes left in the chat. I will throw the Discord out in the chat right now, just in case you guys do want to join. You've got the link for the Discord right here. Pin that message, and you're good to go right there. If you guys want to join the Discord, that's the Discord link right there. I will also, if you join, I'll shout chat because I got it open right here on the screen. Let's see, Julie. What is going on with everybody coming back? Julia Gulia, thank you very much for coming back today. I'm loving it, Julia. So glad to have you in here. What the heck, man? This is like, this is fun, man. Danelle's back. We got Julia back. Everybody's loving this. Yes, the discard is good for you. Listen to Sam the Man. Sam the Man is the discard dude. He's the king of the discard. Actually, I don't know if he's king of the discard. Pika is queen of the discard. Rainbow Design, man. Thank you very much for joining the Discord. See you right there. Wave to say hi. Appreciate you joining the Discord, dude. I see you right now. If you do get in the Discord, there's a rules and verification page. All you got to do is click that green check mark, and you'll be able to type in all those different sections. And then there's a role selection page that you can open up sections for NFTs, stocks, cryptos, specific cryptos like Terra Luna, Shiba Inu coin, and so on. And you can go through that. So if you guys are not used to Discord, go to the rules section and just click the green check mark before you're able to type and use the Discord features. Polls incomplete 1, commodities 2, stocks, futures is 3, crypto is 4, all in order. That's where Frank's going on those. Yeah, dude, commodities would be the best during world devastation. We know that. They would rise in value the most. However, I only specifically made it those 2 because I wanted you guys to have a tough choice between them instead of going all out. Jeez, if you get Wana, Advocate, and Lower Impact too, you might explode with happiness. Wana was actually in here on Monday. Tuesday? Monday or Tuesday. Wana was in here, and I did explode with happiness. I really did, man. I really did. I haven't seen Lauren in a while, and Devil's Advocate has popped in a couple times recently. Not too much, though. Oh, yeah, guys, the Discord is free if you are joining. The Discord is free. It's nothing. It doesn't cost to join the Discord. Let's see here. It's 1 o'clock already. Oh, my gosh. When I see AMC Trapper throwing out those deuces, I know it's time to go. But right before we go, we got to say, John Jay, man, thank you very much for the... Oh, John Jay, thank you very much for the superhero super sticker, man. My goodness, that is one of the most difficult ones to do. You guys have no idea how hard it is to exhale like that 3 times in a row. Oh, giving it all your breath, man. Oh my gosh, my next 1,000 is going to dollar cost me a load of shares. Now that's what I'm talking about, Frank. It absolutely will, man, if this market continues to come down like that. Listen, I may have cried after the stream ended, but I will not be crying in front of you guys. Never. Good, everyone. Smiling is contagious. Listen to Danelle. It is. Guys, we're going to go right now. It is 1 o'clock. We will be back this afternoon. And I don't know how long it's going to last, all right? I don't know if we're going overtime or not today. We're going to have to see how long it lasts. It should be fun nonetheless, so make sure to come back to the afternoon stream. Get your names in the chat right now. We will do these shout-outs, and then we will be back a little bit later. AMC Trapper saying peace out to the Diamond Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. We got Ing Andro, John J, man. Thank you very much for that super chat. One only Bronson, Pika Power, Sarah Stick Roy, Ing Andro, Moji for OT, Francis. Good day, mate. Enjoy your bedtime and enjoy your weekend. Thank you very much for hanging out with us. Stig Beater, Danelle, Sam Demand, Julia Gulia, Victor, Rozzy. Yo, Rozzy, Ing Andro. See you later. We got Moji, Kraken, Rozzy, Megamind, Danelle, Pika Power. We got Frank. My gosh, so many people. Julia Gulia, Alpha Q, Ing Andro, Sam Demand, Rozzy, Pika, DD214, Stig, Frank, Francis, Pringleton, One Only Bronson, Rozzy, Julia Gulia, Moji for OT. We got Mark, Parr, Demon 96. I'm loving that Demon 96 is active now. Pika, you woke up a bro. Well, that's what I'm talking about. Loving this. Thanks, Clay. Absolutely, Francis. Robert and Andrew. See you later. DD214. Scott Stone 5, baby. Oh, yes. Moji. Moji. We got Jay Bones in the chat. Cracking. Peace out to you, Sam Demand. Never ignore. TLZ to Pluto. Ahoo. Yes, Nufo, man. Victor, all of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it, Pika Power says, bye-bye. Pika Power. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for the bye-bye, Pika Power. Bye-bye. Thank you very much, Pika Power. Loving the super stickers, guys. Hopefully you have a wonderful Friday afternoon, and you catch us this, evening? Afternoon, evening, 3:50 to about 5 hopefully 5 o'clock. We might go all night. I don't know. Pika, shout out to you, JB, or Julia Gulia, J Bones. Pika, and all of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Nufo getting some practice in before tonight so he knows when to send. Yes, Nufo. Thank you very much, Nufo, man. Really appreciate that super sticker. Oh my gosh. Shout out to my dude, Nufo. Have a wonderful afternoon. And you as well, Demon96, Sam Demand, Demon96, JB, Pika Power. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.